I hope you're having a wonderful week. Welcome if you're new. I'm Alyssia, and summer is here! Almost. I wanted you to be ready, so today I am sharing 4 easy desserts for breakfast that take 5 minutes or less to prep. First, I'm keeping it tropical but dessert for breakfast style, a pineapple upside down mug cake. Spray a mug and sprinkle it with some coconut or brown sugar. Add a pineapple ring to the bottom. In another container, mix an egg, coconut oil, vanilla extract, almond milk, and pineapple juice. Then stir in your sweetener to integrate, followed by oat flour. If you use coconut or almond flour, make sure to use a little bit less since they are more absorbent. Baking powder and salt. Mix that in and then stir in some chopped or crushed pineapple. Add the batter to your mug. Microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I found that 2 minutes and 45 seconds was about perfect for my microwave, which is 1000 watts. But of course, microwaves all vary. When it's done, it should be soft and springy to touch. Flip onto a plate and enjoy with a cherry and a drizzle of honey. Of course, a real cherry would have been nice, but I actually couldn't find any when I filmed this, so I was left with a maraschino, but let's be real, those are delicious. Moist, tropical, and it's a really fun way to have a portion-controlled piece of cake for breakfast. Next, we're cooling off with a mango peach smoothie bowl. I add frozen mango, frozen peach, frozen banana, and coconut milk to a blender and let it rip. Remember, you want this to be thick so you can eat it with a spoon instead of drink it. I top it off with coconut flakes, chia seeds, chopped pistachios, and fresh fruit, but you could use whatever you like. Add texture and flavor to your bowl. Man, this is bright and fresh. Frozen fruit keeps this simple, but it is summer, so feel free to use fresh fruit and then freeze for a full flavor punch, because remember that fruit is more ripe when it's sweet. This is like a sorbet consistency, so it fits right in with dessert for breakfast. Dig in! Thumbs up if you are enjoying dessert for breakfast. Let's keep it going with a breakfast banana split. This couldn't be easier. I split a banana in half and lay it in a shallow bowl. Yes, I am using a legit banana split bowl. I added some berries in between to create a cavity and then scoop on some yogurt into the middle like ice cream. I used Greek, but you could use whatever you prefer. Then I layer on some more fruit, granola, a drizzle of peanut butter and honey or maple syrup, and it wouldn't be complete without a cherry. This is such a fun way to take your regular yogurt and granola parfait and kick it up a notch. Why not, am I right? Yes, I am. If you're enjoying these breakfasts, the time has come for you to subscribe and hit the bell. We don't know if hitting the bell does anything, but I'm gonna ask you to do it just in case. Okay, last but not least, we are taking dessert for breakfast to a new level: berry oatmeal popsicles. First, I stir oats and milk of choice and cook them in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I muddle some fresh summer berries, which I can mix into the cooked oatmeal with a bit of maple syrup to taste. I then add those to my popsicle mold, alternating with yogurt until filled. Freeze 4 to 6 hours or overnight. So yes, before y'all hate on me, these take 5 minutes to prep, and then you gotta freeze them. Get over yourself and your angry troll math. Bam! Why not have a popsicle for breakfast? It's a hot summer day. We know oatmeal is great on its own, with yogurt, with fruit, and hot or cold if you've ever had overnight oats, so why not turn it into a popsicle? It's worth a try, and these actually amazed me. It tastes like hot oatmeal, but in frozen popsicle form. It was super tasty. I hope you enjoyed these summer breakfasts. Now remember, all of these can easily be made vegan if you use a dairy-free yogurt and maple syrup instead of honey. If you're really getting into the fresh summer vibe, check out my smoothies recipes episode from a few weeks ago. There is a free ebook with it. Say what? FYI, if you want a chance to win a pair of onion goggles, I am giving away 3 to my newsletter subscribers this month. You can subscribe at mindovermunch.com for free and you will be entered to win. We give new stuff away every month, and every subscriber is entered every single month. I'll see you next week, and remember, especially when it comes to dessert for breakfast, it's all a matter of mind over munch.